So the first step for loading my Cherokee onto the bus is to unlock the 4 locks that hold the ramps into their stake pockets. And once those are unlocked, you lift up the ramps and you carry them to the back and set them down in the loops at the back of the bed. And then you kind of adjust them a little bit and get them lined up where you want them to be and about where you think the tires will land on them. As you can see here, I go up to close the door. I no longer have this issue since I use the side door only since I started the conversion and put the bed platform at the back. I recorded this video a little while ago. As you can see, it was before the side graphics. I just finally got around to editing it and putting it together for y'all to watch. Here I pull the Cherokee up to the ramps and get the front tires lined up and get out and double check to make sure the ramps are in the right spot. I haven't loaded the Cherokee on it too many times, so I have to double check every time just to make sure I'm still in the right spot, just to stay comfortable. Now that the Cherokee is up on top, I get out and go around to the back to double check to make sure it's lined up and straight the way I want it. Again, I haven't loaded the Cherokee too many times, so I'm not 100% comfortable with just sending it and load it in one go and not check. I'm not perfect at loading it every time, so I still double check every time again with that. And then I go back around, stick the ramps back in their stake pockets, put the locks back in to hold the ramps on, and then it's ready to go. Once the ramps are on, as you see, the next step is to strap it down. I have some nice Vulcan straps that I got. I can put them down in the description below. But here you see me putting the straps on. Strapping it down is pretty easy because I have rings at the bottom, and then I have the weld-on axle side loops so that I just hook the straps into there, and then at the front it's the same deal, just hook the straps into the loops and it's good to go. So this is the first time with the ramps on the side and the Cherokee on the back like that, and plenty of room still between the tires and the ramps, so that's not a big deal. And then I don't know if you guys have ever been curious about how much space there is in the front. Really, there's plenty of space, so you can climb up like this, grab onto the tire, and then you just slip the door Open to the bumper. Gives you enough room. Just snake your way in, close it down. All right, I showed the loading process earlier this morning, but when I loaded it up to take it to work on it and stuff. So now I'm gonna show the unloading process of it. So again, as you saw in the last clip, I went in the back door and the couch was all there. Again, this was an older video, so all that is no longer there. But anyway, the first step to unloading it is undoing all the locks and setting the ramps down about where the tires are. It's a lot easier to line it up since the Cherokee's already there. So that way I can see where the tires are and see where the ramp needs to be right off the bat. Once the ramps are down, it's time to go around and unstrap all of the straps, which again is pretty easy. Just pop the straps loose and then unhook them from each end since I have the easy loops. And then I just have the 4 straps to carry. I don't have to worry about axle straps or anything like that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you see, let me know in the comments below. If you didn't like what you see, tell me what I can do different. I'm gonna link the axle straps and the weld-on tie downs that I use on the bed in the description below. Thanks.